So I'll be showing you how you can see who liked a comment on Instagram. Now this could be a comment on your own post or any other comment on Instagram. So what you need to do is simply go to the comment section of whatever post you're trying to check that. So for instance, you can see this random post has this comment with 827 likes. Okay. So what you want to do is long press on that like button, the love heart icon there. So just long press on it and it's going to show you everybody that's liked that particular comment. All right. And you can also do this on your own posts. So if you go to your profile, for instance, I have a post like this one. If I look at the comment, this comment has a like. And if I want to see who liked, just long press on the like icon and I can see one person liked and I can see exactly who liked that comment. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below and good luck.